Okay, so this is the way that I fixed my backpack. When you click on backpack, your courses come up, but this is how they show up without a period on it. And I add the period in the front so I know what period that class is. So if you click on one of your classes that doesn't say the period, right here at the bottom, it tells you what the period is. So period 2. So what I do is I click on it and just add second to the front of it, enter. And then if you want to change the name, you can also change the name that way. So second period, Algebra 1B, and you have to add an app. This is where you're going to add your Google Meet apps. So you're going to click Add New App. You're going to add your own app. Insert the website. So this is my Google Meets for second period. So I just copied it and pasted it on here. And right here, I just put Google Meets Algebra. That's what it's going to be called. So I'm going to select an icon, and don't just select any icon. Make sure that the kids know that it's a Google Meets app. So I just type Meets on the search bar, and this one is perfect because it shows a camera, it's like a video, so they know that this is where they're going to be seeing you. And hopefully everybody's using the same icon so that the kids are not getting lost looking for the Google Meets. So you click on it, add app, and it should be done. If you click the little exit box, my app is right there and it says Google Meets Algebra.